This material acquisition area is like several of the others before it, that it is a status if these things have been ordered or not. So you can see that each one of these fields has the little star emblem, and it's basically an order status. Have these things been ordered or not? And just like all the other areas, we're using color coding, and so green is good. The item has either been received or it's not applicable. And then kind of a middle road is this ordered or carded, and then they all start out from not ordered. That's what the default setting for the field is for all of these. And like selections, we have this sorting based on this actual delivery date. So red and yellow things down here are not nearly as concerning as red or yellow things up here. And as we slide to the right, we see that everything all the way to the accessories is ordered down to this project here, but even these are carded. They just haven't been paid for yet. So looks good, and that's what we're looking for. We're wanting this visibility into, are we missing something? Are we lacking something? Is there something that we're not going to have when we get ready to assemble the cabinets or hardware the cabinets or finish the cabinets or install the cabinets? So the objective being to check this on a daily basis, and if you see something that hasn't been ordered, then we want to make sure we rectify that as soon as possible. So that's it for the material acquisition area.